Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing great. So आज मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ सरस्वती पूजा look number 2. You guys is requested for this look like particular blue साड़ी look and also you guys requested कि मैं एक जामदानी साड़ी के साथ look create करूँ and also sweater के साथ look create करूँ. तो it's a all in one look, you can say that. So if you want to know how I got this beautiful wearable makeup look, then please keep on watching. So first I'm going to hydrate my face well, and I'm using here L'Oreal Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. And if your skin feels super dry, then also इसके बाद आप एक moisturizer use कर सकते हो. And उसके बाद I'm using Miss Claire Studio Perfect Professional Makeup Primer. ये anti redness primer है, and also it's a silicone based primer, so it's gonna fill your pores and give you that even skin for your foundation. Next I'm using Miss Claire Everyday Foundation in the shade Puff क्योंकि I wanted to keep it very a simple and light base, so इसलिए I'm using it only and applying it only the areas जहाँ पे मैं concealer apply करती हूँ first, and then I'm gonna blend it out with that same brush. And by the way, the brush I'm using here is by Cuffs and Lashes. And also don't forget to apply your foundation or concealer, whatever you're gonna use, to your neck. To set my foundation, I'm going to use a loose powder, and I'm using here Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I'm using a powder brush by Swiss Beauty, and मैं इसे लेके एक्सेस को tap करके I'm just going to set the area जहाँ पे I have creasing problem. Next I'm using Faces Canada Ultime Pro Face Palette in the shade Fresh, Canada, whatever you're gonna say it. I'm using a contour brush from Cuffs and Lashes again. And मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा मेरे face को warmth दूंगी. You can just skip this part or apply a blush, but I love to do this. Next I'm taking that same palette में से blush shade and applying it on my highest points, cheek पे. I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and taking that same bronzy shade, and इसे लेके मैं अपने crease पे apply करूँगी, and also मैं अपनी eyelid तक इसे लेके आऊँगी just to give definition to my crease. And I'm also applying it on my lower lash line. Next I'm using Sugar Kajal in the shade Metallic Baby Blue. इसे लेके मैं अपनी आइज़ के ऊपर लगाऊंगी and हाफ वे तक जाऊंगी. मैं इसे क्रीज तक नहीं लगाऊंगी क्योंकि मुझे इसे ब्लेंड भी करना है उसके बाद. You can change this color according to your sari or kurta or whatever you're gonna wear. I'm using my fingertip here to blend the edges. I'm applying the kajal again to make it more prominent and bright and smoky. I'm applying the kajal on my lower lash line as well, बस 1/3 तक. मैं पूरा apply नहीं करूँगी. I'm using Blue Heaven Sketch Pen Liner in the shade Black, and it's a beginner friendly liner. If you have problem with your liquid liners, just go for it. And I'm applying I'm drawing a thin wing line, and also I'm extending my inner corner a bit, and मैं इसे लेके थोड़ा सा मेरे lower lash line पे भी apply करूँगी, lash line के close, just 1/3. I'm curling my lashes and I'm applying the Rimmel London Extra Super Lash Mascara, and it's a nice decent mascara. I bought it from Amazon, and at first I didn't like it, but then I realized it's really a nice mascara. It gives you that volume. I'm applying the kajal, blue kajal again, and on my lower and upper waterline applying Mama Earth Natural Kajal. To set my whole face, I'm using Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. It's a very good affordable setting spray. I'm using Wet n Wild Natural Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Brown. जब तक मेरा face set होता है अपने आप, I mean dry होता है setting spray, तब तक मैं अपने eyebrows को fill कर लूँगी. And I'm only filling the gaps. I am not overdrawing it. I'm using the same Faces Canada palette, and I'm taking this highlighter shade on a eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm applying it on my highest points of my face. This highlighter is really very good and gives you that within glow wala look. For the lipstick, I'm using Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick, one of my favorite lipsticks, in the shade Nude Latte, and applying it, and you can see the beautiful color literally complements this eye look. I love this formula. It's so smooth and so lightweight. You won't even feel you are wearing anything on your lips, and the staying power is not that great. It's after 4 to 5 hours ये बीच से ना सेंटर पार्ट से फेड होना शुरू हो जाता है, but you can reapply it and it won't look patchy. So here is my final look. मैंने एक छोटा सा बिंदी ऐड किया है मेरे साड़ी से मैच करते हुए, and I'm wearing some oxidized jewelry. You can wear whatever you want. I'm wearing a falsies and also a lens. You can just skip this part. Doesn't mean मैंने पहना है कि आपको भी पहनना है. You can wear this look with any outfit, any jewelry. It's your choice. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all.